Alright, so welcome to video 2 of our Explorers unit using Google Maps. For this section, you will need to know a couple of things. One will be the route the explorer took, and two, the approximate dates that this exploration took place. Year will be fine. I closed down the map from last video because I wanted to show how to open that back up for you. So what we can do is go ahead and click those dots, scroll down and come down to Maps. Now when in Maps, we're going to click those three bars again. And we went to Your Places and clicked Maps. Now this time, instead of creating a map, we're going to come up here and we are going to click on the name of our map. Well, that's what I typed in the last time in the description area. Now it says Open in Map, so I'm going to select that. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come right in here where it says Untitled Layer. And I am going to go ahead and click in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the name of the expedition. And click Save. Now if you have the name of a ship that they used or something important like that, feel free to change it and use it like that instead. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do is we need the route that the explorer took. So I'm going to zoom out using these buttons over here. And then I'm going to scroll and kind of get it set on my screen a little bit closer. And then I'm going to zoom in. You can either click the plus sign, you can also double tap if you need to, or zoom out, however you really need to do it. And what we're going to do is we are going to use this tool right here called Draw a Line. Now my exploration with Ernest Shackleton started right here in New Zealand. So what I'm going to do is I click my lines, I click Add Line or Shape. And I'm going to start in New Zealand and I'm going to click one time and he went south. And I'm going to click one time. Now notice it still goes. And then I'm going to click a second time. Now it's going to still want to go around there, so I'm going to click twice. So the double click kind of takes you out of the drawing and goes into another mode here. And what it put up for me was a little place to edit and do some other work. I'm just going to click the X and leave it like that. Now, what I just did is I put in where our explorer started and where our explorer got onto the land area here. Now I'm going to add another line. The first one was what he did by boat, and now my second one is going to be what he did on land. And I'm going to double click because that's where he stopped. Now, notice it says line 2 on this one, and I'm going to put, I'm going to type in on land. And I can click save on that. And I still want to kind of come onto this one yet. Double click that one. And I'm going to click my edit button. And this one I'm going to put by boat. Now you could type in something here, and I think we'll get into that with our next lesson. For now, I'm going to click save, and that will be all.